If you insert the terminals and go insert terminal strip, as you can see, it goes from right to left or left to right. So as an example, we'll just highlight those again, delete them, insert them again, and we'll now select going to the right, and obviously that will go to the right. How you can rotate them is if you insert the terminal strip, if you right click, it rotates, and these are going to go to, you think it will go down, but it's only going to the right. Now it will assume a horizontal displacement unless you put some DIN rail down. So let's put some DIN rail down, 37.5, and select, and we'll just draw a piece of DIN rail like so. Now I'm going to insert the terminal strip. I'll right click to rotate in alignment with the DIN rail. These are going down, place down, and it automatically spaces them going downwards.